Let's go to Valve Island. Here, have a look.
Wow!
You'll see the various ways valves support our everyday lives. ASAHI YUKIZAI's valves are made of plastic, so they're light and sturdy. They also don't rust, which makes them strong against rain and wind. Plastic valves are also stronger against seawater than metal.
Hello!
And last for a long time. Light, sturdy and rust-resistant, these valves are used in all kinds of places, including places we don't tend to notice.
Hey!
Aquariums, for example. ASAHI YUKIZAI's valves help to create a comfortable environment for the fish.
Look!
Valves are even associated with mobile phones, playing a big role in factories that make the semiconductors used in mobile phones and computers.
That's amazing!
And there's more.
Let's go!
This is a chemical factory that runs 24/7. Using our rust-resistant plastic valves means they never have to halt production. Plastic valves are also used in production lines that create medicines.
That's my house.
Many ASAHI YUKIZAI plastic valves are also used in farming to grow the rice and vegetables we eat every day.
This is delicious.
So, as you can see, ASAHI YUKIZAI's plastic valves work every day to make our lives more safe, secure, and enjoyable. In all kinds of hidden places all over the world.
Oh, I can see them.
See you again on Valve Island.